Dear students, how are you? Hope all of you are in sound health by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Shazida Hasin Nupur. Welcome you to Shitakun Girls High School online class. Today I am with you with English past paper class.
Dear students, my today's class is about a scene passage for class 7 students. What do you see in the picture? A fairy. Then the next box. What do you see in the picture? Giant and children. Now, I am going to show you a video clip. After watching this video, you have to guess which scene passage we are going to start. So, let's watch the video.
Every afternoon, while returning from school, the children used to go and play in the giant's garden. It was a large, lovely garden with soft green grass. There were beautiful flowers and peach trees in the garden. The birds sang on the trees and the children listened to them in delight. One day, the giant came back. He had gone to visit his friend and stayed with him for 7 years. When he came, he saw the children playing in his garden.
What are you doing here?
He cried in a gruff voice. The scared children just ran away.
My garden is only mine,
Said the giant.
and I will allow nobody to play in it but myself.
So he built a high wall all round it and put up a notice board. Trespassers will be prosecuted. He was a very selfish giant.
So, my dear little learners, can you tell me what is our today's topic? Yes, your imagination are quite growing well. Our today's topic is the selfish giant, which is from Unit 6, Lesson 8. Now the learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to read, comprehend, and summarize the text. Describe the picture, ask and answer questions. Now go through the passage. What do you see in the picture? Children are hearing a story. Who is telling the story? Grandmother is telling story. So the passage is start. Samira's grandmother was telling the story of the selfish giant in the family gathering. Grandma refused to go the bed. She forgot her back pain. The selfish giant. It was a large, lovely garden with soft green grass. Here and there, over the grass stood beautiful flowers. Also, other were fruit trees around the garden. One day, the giant came back. He went to see his friend in a distant land and stayed with them for 7 years. When he arrived, he saw children playing in his garden. "What are you doing here?" cried the giant in a very gruff voice. The children ran away. Every afternoon, the children came back from school and used to go to play in the giant's garden. "My own garden is my own garden," said the giant. "Anyone can understand that, and I will allow nobody to play in it." So he built a high wall all around the garden and put up a notice: "Trespassers will be punished." Now please concentrate some word meaning according to my passage discussion. So, the meaning of frightening is making someone afraid or anxious or terrifying. Here is another word, build. The meaning of this word is construct something by putting parts or material together. The word selfishness means lacking consideration for other people, concerned simply with one's own personal profit or pleasure. And the word giant means an imaginary or mythical being of human form but superhuman size. Then the next word, gruff. It means a voice rough and low in pitch. The word trespass means a person entering someone's land or property without permission. Now go through some individual work. Please see the picture and do it by yourself as you all are in home. So please do it by yourself. Then the next slide is for group work. As you are not here in the classroom, we are doing online class, so I skip this slide, okay? And at last for homework. Here is a picture for you and there's a story clue. So guess the name of the story and write down it in your khata. When school will open, I will check your khata. Remember it. So, that's all for today. Goodbye and see you again. Hope all you have enjoyed the class. Allah Hafiz.